Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Studio, and in this video we'll be discussing the editorial of question string task which was asked in Codeforces Beta Round 89 Div 2. And let's get into the question and see what the problem statement is. So the problem statement is we are given basically a string which contains both uppercase and lowercase letters, and we have to perform three operations on the given string. The operations are we have to delete the vowels. The vowels here are A, O, Y, E, U and I, and we have to insert a character dot before each consonant, and we have to replace all uppercase consonants with their corresponding lowercase ones. So basically we have to perform these three operations on the given string, and we have to result the resulting string, right? So the input basically will be given a string, and it contains both uppercase and lowercase letters as given in the problem statement, and the length is from 1 to 100 inclusive, and we have to print the resulting string. So what might be the flow of solving this problem would be, what I'll do is basically first I'll take the given string, and then I'll find if each character in the string is a vowel or not according to the given description of vowels, which is A, O, Y, E, U and I, right? So I'll find if a given character is vowel or not. If it's a vowel, I'll not print anything basically. So if it's not a vowel, that means if it's a consonant, I'll print a dot, and then I'll print the lowercase version of the given character, right? So I'll write down a function somewhere which basically returns me a boolean, that if it's a vowel it will return a true, and if it's not a vowel it returns a consonant. So I can write down the main function. I can use the function is vowel, and I can use it in the main function to find if the given character is vowel or not, right? So let's get into the code editor and start coding to basically understand if our way of thinking is right or not, and then submit it, right? So let me first fill this with the basic stuff. So basically I have to do a function for finding if it's a vowel or not, and let me also copy down what is the condition for vowel. So it is A, O, Y, E, U and I, right? So this is the condition given, and in main function basically let me declare the string S, which I'll be inputting C in S, and then I'll run a for each loop for each character in the string, right? So for character CH in the string S, this is a for each loop, and this can be used for almost all type of STL containers. So this is really helpful if you don't want to mess up with indices and stuff. So CH is each character of the given string. So basically we'll find if is vowel basically returns if it's a vowel or not, right? So if it's not a vowel, right? So let me also write down the function definition. Boolean is vowel, which will take an input of character, right? So basically if it's not a vowel, if the character is not a vowel, then what I'll be doing is find the lowercase version, right? What to do to find the lowercase version in the ASCII? So if you want to check if it's the given character is uppercase or lowercase, we'll just write down by if statement. If character ASCII value is less than 97, that means it's an uppercase letter, and if it's less than 97, what we'll do is basically we'll append the CH plus with 32, right? So when we append it with 32, it becomes a lowercase version of the corresponding uppercase one. So after appending with ch2 32, this becomes a lowercase one. Now we have to just print a dot which signifies what's given in the question, and then we'll also print the ch, which is basically a lowercase version. If it's an uppercase, it will convert to lowercase. If it's already the lowercase, we'll print the lowercase one, right? And after the for each loop is done, we'll just return an endline character to signify the program is done. Right, so now we have to write down the function for finding is vowel. This is simple. We'll basically write down an if statement, and here also the input, the ch, might be uppercase or lowercase. So we'll just write down if ch is less than 97, then basically I'll append ch with 32. Right, now after appending, I'll check the only lowercase versions. If ch equal to a, I'll just copy this down and print for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and the letters are A, Y, O, then E, U, and I. So if the character is any of the given letters, I'll return a true, else I'll return a false, right, in the given question. So I think we have finished what we are asked to do. So let me compile the code and just run for all the test cases given in the question, right? So let me compile this string task. Yeah, it's compiled. Then let's just run this, and the first test case is tour. We'll get .t.or. Yeah, that's right. Now let's copy Codeforces and then run again. Yeah, this is right, cdfrcs with all dots. Then we'll copy this. Yeah, this is .b.c.b, right? So now let's just submit our code and let's just check if it's working or not. So this is the question, string task.cpp. Just submit this. So solution has been accepted, but it's not showing here. Yeah, accepted. So yeah, so this is how you solve this question. You basically run down from all the given parameters, all the given steps that you need to be doing to convert the given string into an output string. And one thing you have to make sure is, instead of clubbing this if statement here, which might make the code congested and difficult to debug if you arise at a problem, it's better to write down small chunks of functions which will be acting as helper functions for our program. We can also create another function, something like character convert, which takes in a character ch and then returns if ch is less than 97, that returns ch plus 32 basically. And then we can just do, if ch is less than 97, we can just do convert ch. You can use such helper functions. This might be handy when debugging the code. You'll understand where exactly your code is causing an issue and stuff. You can also write down find, where it will find if it's uppercase or lowercase. You can write down a function for that and stuff. So yeah, so this is how to solve the problem. If you like the content, please hit the like button, and also if you love the content on this channel, please hit the subscribe button, and also share this with your friends who are interested in programming. Thanks, bye.